How do I know my cat is happy? Because cats are mysterious and often ignore people, it can be hard to figure out how they feel. But knowing if your cat friend is satisfied and happy is important for their health and for your relationship with them. Cats may not show happiness and joy the way people do, but they do have different signs and habits that can tell you how they're feeling. This essay will delve into the interesting world of cat happiness and look at the subtle signs that can help you tell if your cat is truly happy. How you move. 1. Position of the tail. A cat's tail is a strong way for them to show how they feel. It's often a sign of confidence and happiness for a cat to stand its tail straight up with a small curve at the end. A cat that is happy may have a tail that is loose and slightly twitches. 2. Ears. A cat is usually awake and happy when its ears are straight up and facing forward. When cats are happy and at ease, they may also tilt their ears slightly backward. 3. Eyes. If your cat's eyes are half closed, it could mean that it is calm and at ease. Cat kisses, or slow blinks at you, are a sign that a cat is happy and trusting. 4. Purring. One of the most well-known ways to tell if a cat is happy is if it purrs. Cats can purr for many reasons, like when they are in pain, but most of the time, purring when they are being petted or cuddled means they are happy. 5. Kneading. When cats are happy and comfy, they like to rub their paws together on soft surfaces like your lap or a blanket. They do this because it reminds them of when they were kittens and rubbed their mother's belly to get milk to flow. 2. Getting along with others. 1. Affection and attention. If your cat is happy, it will likely want to be with you and enjoy your company. They might follow you around the house or sit on your lap when you're relaxing. Being playful. Cats are naturally playful animals, and a content cat will often play, either by itself or with you. Not only does play keep them physically active, it also keeps their minds sharp. 3. Grooming. When two cats clean each other, it shows that they trust each other and are happy. If your cat grooms you or another cat in the house, that's a good social habit. 3. How you eat. If you want to know how healthy a cat is, you can check their hunger. If a cat is happy, it usually has a good stomach and is eager to eat. A rapid loss of hunger could mean you are sick or stressed. 2. Content eating. Watch how your cat moves while it eats. If a cat is calm, it will eat slowly and may look around or purr during breaks. Eating too quickly can be a sign of stress or pain. 4. Well-being and ease. 1. Comfortable resting. Cats will often find cozy places to rest if they feel safe and happy where they live. Cats can be happier if you give them cozy places to sleep, like cat beds or warm blankets. 2. Litter box habits. A cat that uses the litter box regularly and correctly is likely to be happy. Changes in how the cat uses the litter box can be a sign of stress or health problems. V sounds and voices. 1. Content vocalizations. When cats are happy and content, they may make soft, rhythmic sounds. Some of these sounds are singing, trilling, and soft meowing. People often use these to talk to their owners. Excessive meowing. Some noise is normal, but meowing too much or too often can be a sign of pain or anxiety. It's important to pay attention to how often and how high your cat meows. Things in the environment. Enhancement. Giving your cat a setting that is enhanced with toys, scratching posts, and climbing structures can make them very happy. Cats need to be mentally and physically active all the time. Reducing stress. Keeping your cat's setting as stress-free as possible by reducing things like loud noises and sudden changes can help them stay happy. Cats like to stick to routines and can get upset when those routines are broken. Knowing how to tell if your cat is happy is important for giving them the best care and making sure you have a strong, loving relationship with your cat. Cats may not show their feelings the same way people do, but their body language, social behaviors, eating habits, vocalizations, and general attitude can tell you a lot about how they're feeling. Keep in mind that each cat is different, and what makes one cat happy might not make another cat happy. To keep your cat happy and healthy, you should pay close attention to their specific wants and needs. You can give your cat a happy and fulfilling life by noticing the small signs and behaviors that show its content. This will ensure that you and your cat have a peaceful and enjoyable relationship.